Hi everyone, my name's Elliot and I'm here to tell you about Find A Helpline, a tool that makes it as easy to access free mental health helplines as it is to book an Uber. This seems especially important right now, with how COVID-19 is affecting people's mental health, which is why we're rushing to launch this tool as soon as possible. So how does it work? You search your country and, if you like, what topic or topics you want help with. Immediately you are shown the most relevant helplines for you in easy to understand cards, much better than the long lists that are all over the internet. You can filter according to contact method, type of human support and categories, as well as sorting by top rated, A to Z or open now. Click apply and the cards update, just like you expect them to. To reach out, just click the button. Have a conversation with the helpline about what's going on, and after a conversation you have the option to review or donate. In reviewing, you anonymously share your experience, which is useful feedback for the helplines and can encourage others to reach out for help as well. Each helpline has a dedicated page with all their info and reviews. We want to put every free mental health helpline in the world at your fingertips, quick, easy and reliable. We only include helplines that meet strict criteria like being 100% free and available to everyone. And at any point you can leave the site quickly if you need. That's it. If you want to help crowdsource helplines with us, go to findahelpline.com/volunteer. We'd love to have you.